This is what I have found so far on our walk in the woods. So I'm not walking like I usually do after school. And it's terrible. There's so much garbage here. I'm on the snowmobile trail. Four-wheelers come through, but some of this is old, and I would say it's from the man who did some quick cutting last year. This is private property. He did not own it. But this stuff was left behind by somebody. It is coming to our summer season and our travel season. For in-state Mainers as well as people from away that come in. Please, if you're on hiking trails near the ocean, up in northern Maine, wherever you may be, picnics, hiking, swimming, whatever you have with you, make sure that you take back with you. If there are no garbage receptacles, please take it in a garbage bag with you. If you're at the ocean swimming, no plastic in the water, especially plastic bags, clear ones, because the seals will digest them or ingest them. They won't digest them, and it kills them. They love the white jellyfish, and that's what they think that it is, and so they swallow them and then they die. So whatever you take in, make sure you take out. Again, Mainers, as well as people from away, respect nature and take care of our state and take care of our land. Thank you. Justa, Mainah, Historic Footprints. Subscribe or like. Thank you very much.